This is a yellow label CPC4, which is a revision 4. At ERD, we've repaired thousands of CPC4s, and this is just one of the many types. The yellow label version is identified by the 11 in the part number, and is a 500K speed module, which is the fastest of all the types. It is not advised to swap these between trucks, as the modules are physically set to run at their configured speed. The video attached shows our custom software test, which allows us to test the modules before shipment. This custom test system, on the right screen, which simulates the truck, is interfaced with our diesel laptop on the left screen, and as seen in the video, we use our diesel laptop to clear faults and set the clock. Also shown in the video is the instrument panel, which allows us to verify the accelerator commands we are generating with the simulator are being read properly by the CPC4, which is one of the main faults for these modules.